Kentok Conrad sangma ya presiden barang badu jong ka VPP haba jebab ya kejing keli jong u ba arden haying Dorbar tau an menta kesni da ke ba ulaong ya ka VPP bekadai ban Trei kumba kala kular ha upat ba lopon sngauru ba ha kejing alam jong ka VPP hapo ka distrik ka Kazil Autonomous District Council kala ong ba ulaong ba ka VPP kala delete no lane kala loit no ya ke ikhtiar ke bor jengke ba shnong ki Dorbar bat ki Dorbar Hima bat kane ke jingle jong ke VPP kala penduk bor si kedai ya kesensyar kadar jong ki bor shnong bor tau.
Never been a situation where we go from the back door and get the sale of any land done. Everything is done in a procedure and a manner that is known to all. And as mentioned by the honorable member and the mover of this short duration, he mentioned that the community should be taken into consideration. And sir, I agree totally with that particular aspect. But I would also like to stress that the honorable member and his political party should practice what they preach. So today, you're aware, sir, that there is an act of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Regulation and Administration of Land Amendment Bill 2026. And there is a clause there in section 16 which says that in section 16 of the Principal Act, the word, quote, after prior consultation with respective Dorbar shnongs, Dorbar Ride, and Dorbar Hima, unquote, appearing after the words executive committee shall be deleted. So this particular amendment is quite unfortunate. And I must say it goes completely against the principle that was just mentioned in this discussion that we are having today. And I quote again, community should be taken into consideration, sir. Whereas in the Khasi Hills District Council, this particular act today is being amended to remove the Rangba Shnongs, remove the Ride as well as the Hima from this entire procedure of participation, sir. So where is the fairness? Where is the fairness